Like many innovations before it, drone technology has developed really fast once it has become available for the general user base. New products are introduced pretty much every few weeks, and the glut in the market makes it difficult for potential buyers to decide on the best bang for their buck. Our product today is definitely one of the better options you have in this crowded market. The UDI Discovery U818A HD Plus drone combines convenience with great features in a manner that would attract not just rookie flyers, but pro drone users too.
Here we go!
One of the main assets of this new RC drone is the 720p HD Plus camera with a removable 4GB micro SD card for a great video shooting experience. You can capture video in brilliant 1080 by 720 resolution at 30 frames per second, which is far superior to many drones with video camera features. The memory card, in turn, helps store larger files, thus letting you shoot more aerial images and longer videos in one flight. And the data port and cable allow quick uploads of JPEG and AVI files to Facebook, Instagram, and any other online platform. The shooting process is also much better than most other drones, because the stability delivered by the drone's 6-axis gyro display further aid in its flight is provided by the innovative Headless Mode, which allows you to fly the machine in the direction you are facing. Different flight modes and control features give the flyer the chance to explore the drone's maneuverability and let you get used to it at your own pace. The LCD display on the advanced transmitter also makes the flying experience very convenient, with information on battery power, signal strength, recording status, and more available to the flyer. But even if you are a beginner, the nifty one-key flip feature lets you impress your friends with mid-air flips. The U818A doesn't require any pre-flight prep either, and you can fly it right out of the box, as long as its battery is charged. And once the drone is in the air, it delivers a whopping 18 minutes of flight per charge, thanks to the extra battery and power bank combo that comes with the pack. If you want to enjoy the drone at night, you have a very helpful LED light to constantly keep the drone in your field of vision. The makers of the UDI U818A seem to have packed in all features available for drones of this range into this impressive flying machine, which also scores very high on its sturdiness, always a desirable feature for a gadget that's bound to experience a few rough landings. Let's see how it scores in the user reviews. It has earned a very impressive average score of 4.5 stars from close to 1,750 customers, with its durability and easy maneuverability winning it many fans. That's about all we have on the UDI Discovery U818A HD Plus drone for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other drone reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.